Backflip fears. What's up? It's me again. I'm here, end of a long day of searching for this glorious training spot here in Singapore, known as the Bedok Maze. Question. It's like a lot of people, a lot of students say, how do I get over the fear of doing a backflip? You know, because it's, for me especially as well, like the physical side I always understood. I always understand the physical side. It makes sense. You move your arm here, you do this, you do this. But for me, it's always in the mind. And when I bring this up, because when I was talking to the Indian guys in Kolkata, they were working on their backflips as well. And I gave a little, I don't want to say lecture, but a little talk about like freeing your mind. Basically, how to get over the fear of that. Well, how to get over the fear of anything, you know, you can always do the classic, start small, and then gradually work your way. And that's what we like to push in parkour and free running. Start small and then slowly graduate over time. And then, but what I want to do is I want to address the mental side of it for people for whom that answer is not good enough. An answer for me and for what I told the guys in India was, remember to have fun. Remember why you're doing it. Why are you trying to learn the backflip? Because I watch these guys, they come up, here they go, they stomp their feet, they move their pants, that's what I did it too, you know, I'm not perfect. They get ready to go, here we go, and then they get all tense right before they do it, and then tense, and either they do it right or they don't. And you know, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes they never try it again, sometimes they do it for 7 to 10 years, for 20 years, who knows. It all depends. But remember why you're doing it. You're doing this because it's fun. You're doing this because it's your passion or your hobby, or you're doing this because you want to do it. You're not forced. No one's forcing you. It's not for the championship. There's no pressure. Your girlfriend's not on the line. Your boyfriend's not on the line. Your I don't know. Your grades aren't on the line. You're fine. There's no one there pressuring you. I mean, unless there's a coach or something if you're a gymnast. Hopefully you've done enough basics work that it's not an issue. But remember why you're doing it. You're doing this because it's for you. You're doing this for fun. Take a second and breathe. That was the other big thing I said. Breathe. You have an infinite source of energy and fuel of its own merit around you at all times. You have an infinite source of this. Oxygen all around. You could never breathe in all the oxygen by yourself. So for you not to, and for you to cut yourself off from that infinite abundant source for a time because you're scared or because I have to get this right, and you hold your breath. Or if you're like you're new at weightlifting and you'll try to max out your bench, maybe get like 1 or 2 reps and you like die. But yeah, remember to breathe. It is very important to breathe. I forget to, you know, I'm not exempt. I also brought this up because I was scared to do like a flip that I've done a billion times. I'm just like, but I don't want to do it here. And I got to this tension point. You got to remember, like, I have to do it. No, you don't. You're doing this because it's fun, because you want to. And that needs to be the driving force. And that is the topic that I wanted to bring up today. So, with that said, I'm going to get on to training. I already got a rip from the 1 lache, 2 laches that I did. So we'll see how that goes. Alright. With that said, see you guys next time.